How to change skin color in Roblox Animal Hospital. Want to customize your look in Animal Hospital Roblox? Here's how to change your skin step by step. So start in the hospital lobby. So in here at the left side, you'd find this classes button. So click on it and this will take you here. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and change the type of skin or class that you currently have. So you can go ahead and buy a different class by earning as much coins required for each of this skins. So you'll need to earn animal coins to be able to buy this. So how do you earn it? You'll earn it by playing more and more on Animal Hospital and by achieving all of the required numbers of patients that you need to accommodate in each session on the game. So save coins early, remember skins are class specific, and focus on your favorite role first. Cosmetic upgrades make your character unique but don't change gameplay.